Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. My name is Bhavesh Atara. Welcome to Application Integration section. Now, in this particular section, we are going to talk about all AWS services which is related to application integrations like API Gateway, SQS, SNS, EventBridge, etc. But if you want to understand these services properly, you have to understand basics of application integration. You have to understand why application integration is needed and how it works. Of course, if you are coming from software field, then you are already aware about it. But if you are coming from different fields like networking or system administration, it would be difficult for you to understand all the AWS services without understanding application integration. So what I am doing right now, I am going to explain you what is application integration from zero. Step by step, we will understand all the components of application integration first, and then we will jump for the application integration related services. If you have knowledge about it, no problem. You can skip these videos. But if you don't have, please watch all these videos. It will be very helpful for you. So, in this video, I am going to start with basics of application integration. Let's start. Introduction. Application integration is a process that allows two or more applications or microservices to communicate with each other and exchange data smoothly. When two different systems communicating with each other, we are actually using application integration. Sometimes we can say that it is a two different service, or we can say that two microservices. Now, if you don't have knowledge about microservices, no need to worry about this. In upcoming video, I'm going to talk about microservices as well. It ensures that every system can send information, receive information, and trigger action in other systems. It helps different applications, even if built for different technologies, work together as one complete system. It makes communication fast, reliable, and accurate even during high traffic or system issues. Type of application integration, application to application, and microservices to the microservices. Now, you may have this question like, okay, you are talking about communication between two different applications. But what is the use case? Why we needed this? No need to worry about it. I will explain you step by step. With one example, you will get complete understanding of entire process. First of all, I am going to start with the application to application integration. Here, two different, completely different systems are actually going to communicate with each other. Introduction. Two separate applications or systems talking to each other to complete a task. It allows one application to send information to another, receive a response, and work together without the user even noticing. This type of integration is common when different companies' systems or different department systems need to communicate. Now, this example will provide you all this detail. After this example, your concept will be crystal clear. First example is when you make UPI payment, the UPI app communicates with bank and NPCI, three separate systems working together. In India, if you want to make payment, we are always making payment through the QR code. So at every shopkeeper, we have QR code over there. We are scanning this QR code using application like Paytm and Google Pay. And using this QR code, we are making payment online. Now we call it UPI. Now when we are using UPI, actually three systems are communicating with each other. We have UPI app like Google Pay or Paytm developed by startups in India. Then we have NPCI. NPCI is actually government department to manage all this UPI payment. So bank, and there is a bank application. So here we have three systems. UPI application, then government department, NPCI, and banks. Now these three systems are communicating with each other when you are actually going to make payment using UPI. Right? Now these three systems are actually communicating with each other using application integration. Same way, here in India we are using GoIBibo or Make My Trip to book our flights. In US, people are actually using sky scanners. So if I want to go from one destination to another via flight, and if I want to book my flight, I am using sky scanners. Now sky scanners is actually managing booking, but you are booking flight from the specific company. Let's say that if I want to book Emirates flight, so whenever you are going to get details about flight, Skyscanners is actually going to talk with the Emirates, then it is getting fare detail and time details and all. It is providing you all these details, then you are booking flight. Now when you book your flight, when you confirm your flight, Skyscanner is going to Emirates and it is going to add entry over there. It means here two parties or two systems are communicating with each other. One Skyscanners, which is application, and another one is a airline system. Now here we are also using application integration. Here in application to application integration, we have two completely different systems. Then there is a second type of communication required as well, known as microservices to the microservices integration. Here,
sorry to interrupt you. I know you guys are enjoying our video a lot because our final ultimate goal is Solution Architect Certification exam. To reach the destination, we required full videos. Path number 1, our 6-in-1 program. Our 6-in-1 program include all prerequisite skills which is needed as a cloud engineer. It include 24/7 support, lifetime update, section-wise practice test, full course practice test with tips and tricks by Bhavesh Atara, how to do exam preparation course, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, and 6 AWS project with documents. Path number 2, you can enroll by paying 499 and get Hindi and English, both the languages, videos of AWS. The choice is yours how to create your success story by choosing best one. Best of luck. Thank you.